We cooked them for 5 minutes. You ready for the big reveal? Okay, here, turn the camera around and show you. Big reveal. Ready? 1, 2. Nope. Oh, a rainbow trout! Well, good morning, guys. We are here still up in Ely. Saturday morning, and I just wanted to show you around the camp a little bit and look at the beautiful views that we have. Nice, beautiful mountains look beautiful this morning. It was really nice. But anyway, this is our little campsite. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. Watch. This is the truck tent, as you've seen or might see. I don't know. Anyway, nice and comfy. A little teepee tent. And Chap is cooking bacon. Yummy. But yeah, nice little camping area up here. Had lots of shade this morning. And there they are. There they are. Huh? They're my 2 babies. Gonna say hi this morning? Say good morning. Say good morning. Okay, good morning. Yes, good morning. I see you, huh? Alright, guys. Caught some crawfish or crawdads or whatever you want to call them, wherever you're at. Last night, we caught them from the land because they come in the evening. They come up to shore. And we just used our little net and scooped them and reached them. You gotta scoop them from behind because they swim backwards like that. But anyway, look at that sucker. That's a big old claw, huh? Whoa! Holy cow, man. But yeah, that's all we're doing is just kind of clean them up, stab them in the head so they die, and then you just take in between the little middle one right there, and then just kind of pull it out. Watch, just give me a hard time because it's on camera. Oh, but anyway, that's what you do. And we're going to cook them in the pan, cover them with some foil, season them up, and have a nice yummy brunch. Yeah. You know you're going to be hungry after watching this. But, yep, see? Just that little middle part. And get all that ooky, gooky, stinky stuff out. Anyway, all right, you guys. It's gonna eat you. Alright, we'll catch you later, guys. Okay, so this is how we want to cook them. Got them in the cast iron. Cast iron's perfect for everything, guys. Alright, so we got some lemon pepper. Okay, just some salt. That's a lot of salt. And some good old scrumptious, it's garlic. So we're gonna, that's the seasonings. That little guy's still trying to escape. Stay there. You gotta stay with your brothers and sisters. But that's all I'm gonna do is just sprinkle them up there, season them all up, nice and yummy. I think, actually, use a little bit of olive oil too. Just spray the olive oil on them. I want the seasoning to stick to them. Come on, get over there. Stay in that pot. Pan. 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 Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do that first. Olive oil. Olive oil, guys. Now we'll sprinkle them with the seasoning. Yummy! Yummy! Okay. And garlic. Spoon a few little spoonfuls on. I think we're gonna try to catch some more tonight. And we gotta save some garlic for the next bunch. Ooh, just all yummy all around. A little bit of garlic juice in there. Mmm. Mmm. All right, on the fire they will go. All right, that should be good. All right, you guys, we'll see what they look like when they're done and tell you how they taste. All right, you guys. Whew, I got hot, so I changed. But anyway, here are the crawfish or crawdads or whatever you call them in your area, wherever you're at. We cooked them for 5 minutes. You ready for the big reveal? Yeah. Okay, here, turn the camera around and show you. Big reveal. Ready? 1, 2. Nope, not yet. 3. 3. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, that's some yummy. Whoa. All right, guys. So here we are. Oh, just get a little closer so I can reach. There. Gonna give them a try. Haha, I'm still in that one. Oh, a little hot.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yeah.
All right. It's hot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for sure.
So how do I do this? I forgot.
Oh, just open up in here.
This somehow like this.
Now, I kind of feel like that.
Okay. Ow.
Nothing there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh well, it's okay. It hits nothing. Yeah.
I'm gonna get that though.
Yeah, later.
Dip it in there. Okay, I'm a little slow at this, guys. Mmm. Oh yeah, that's delicious.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, surprise.
Oh, come on. Come on off,
Yeah.
baby.
Good one.
Oh, there we go. Yep, that's what you want. Come on out. There we go. That's what you want, guys. Huh, yummy. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Fantastic. I love that seasoning. Can taste the garlic, the lemon pepper. Mmm. Delicious. All right, we're gonna go for this claw. Maybe. I don't know.
Good luck.
But yeah, there's nothing in there.
Yeah, nothing there.
Yeah. All right. I might try that here in a little bit. We're just gonna peel that off right there. All right, you guys. So I think this is what. Get that little thing out. And then probably, yep, that. And then just probably go the old-fashioned way. And don't break your teeth.
Sure.
But I know there's some, oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Get that meat out. Yep, there you go. Nice, fresh meat. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mmm. That's delicious. Nice and fresh and everything. Very good, you guys. All right. That's enough me eating. See you guys later. All right, you guys. So these are the fish that we caught today. Unfortunately, we didn't really video it, but that's okay. Because we got a lot of video of us catching fish from yesterday. Bless you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're going to cook them. And this is how we're going to do it. What do you want? You want lemon pepper?
Sure.
Okay. Lemon pepper on the big one.
Yeah.
I'm going to do Cajun on the smaller one. And we got some more garlic and some salt and pepper. All right, go ahead.
All right.
So, oh, come on, cooperate. Just sprinkle it on.
Inside too.
Inside, yeah.
I think I'm good.
You good?
Yeah. You get a little more.
Okay.
Come on.
And then just take, let all the flavor go there. Just kind of fold it a little bit, and then just crinkle it up like that.
Don't cook the spoon.
Yeah, don't cook the spoon is right. And then it's gonna go on the cast iron and kind of steam up. And that's how we're gonna cook it. So anyway, that's how they're gonna cook, just like that. Cast iron will be about ready here. All right, you guys, we'll be back when they're done. All right, guys. Woo! They're done. You ready for the big reveal? I hope so. All right, here we go. Let's get it open. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Cajun. Look at that.
Lemon zest.
Wow.
Chad has lemon zest.
Yeah, see, it's all cracking. It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Feeling.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, guys.
It's good.
Mm-mm-mm. Look at that yumminess. Wait. Wait. Cheers. Oh, nice and white. Mmm. Oh, yummy. Oh, cheers, bud. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness, that is delicious. Yeah, you want a bite? Oh, the Cajun is good. I can taste the garlic. Man, nice and fresh. Because we literally just caught it this morning.
Oh, you put the skin.
Oh, I ate the skin.
Oh, you put the Oh.
Okay, here.
Yeah, you put the skin. Well, unless you want to.
It's good. I like it. There you go. Nice and good. Little spicy from the Cajun.
Oh, okay.
How's your lemon pepper?
Wow, they're good.
It's good, huh? Wow, delicious, you guys. I'm over here. Can you see me, mister? Chap is blocking me.
Take this one. Good chunk.
Ooh, there's a little bone there. Be careful. I saw it. Yeah. Right. It's delicious, you guys. Little garlic flavor. Nice and fresh. The meat is white and clear. I mean, white, not clear. What am I talking about?
Clear meat.
Clear meat. Nice and white. Yummy deliciousness. Man, you can tell we just caught it this morning. Yummy. Okay. Well, good afternoon, everyone. Sunday today. Still up here at Ely in Cave Lake, and I didn't video it. We weren't really planning on catching any, but we ended up catching 4 nice rainbow trout. Look at, especially Chad caught that one. Nice one, huh, bud?
Yeah.
And so I guess we get lunch this morning, or this afternoon, or whatever you want to call it. It's like around 11 o'clock. But anyway, yep. Nice, good weekend. Caught some trout yesterday, some bass yesterday, some rainbow trout today. Love it. So anyway, you guys, I just wanted to tell you, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys enjoy and have a good one, and we'll catch you later. Happy fishing, everyone. Till next time.